Cooking with Lynja, we're making the Ooiest, the Gooiest, and the Chewiest chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients for this recipe are flour, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, unsalted butter, brown sugar, regular sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. The first step is to mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl. We mix 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a mixer, we start by placing 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter. And then we add 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, mix, then add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now we add the dry ingredients until it's a thick consistency. Lastly, we add 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chips and mix until they're evenly distributed. Now that the cookie batter is done, we have to chill it for 2 hours. Now it's time to make the cookies. We line 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper and preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Now it's time for the most important part, shaping the cookies. We take 3 tablespoons of the dough, roll it into a ball, and place them evenly on the baking sheet. And now we let them bake for 12 minutes. Now we let the cookies cool for 10 minutes and then they're ready to eat. And that's how you make the Ooiest, Gooiest, Chewiest chocolate chip cookies.
Hey Doc, I was able to steal this for you. Okay.
Just gonna take it on that couch.
So if you like this video, you can watch these. Check them out. Check them out. This one's really good, but this one I think is better.